Hi everyone, I'm Abby.
And I'm Emily.
And we are back with another episode of What's Blooming with Abby and Emily, where we yap all things weddings, events, inspiration, all of the things that you need for planning your next wedding or event. And today we're going to be talking about a few different things.
Yes.
So first on the agenda is Black Friday sale. That is coming up, and we are giving you all the tips on how to prepare for this sale. And then the second segment, we're going to be talking about our color crush, which is brown. And then last, we're going to give you a warehouse tour because we haven't done that yet, and I feel like there's a lot of things to show you guys in the warehouse. So
really
that should
cool
be fun.
behind the scenes.
Yeah, so I guess we can get into the segments. Okay, Black Friday sale.
Everyone waits for the sale.
Yes, it is the biggest sale of the year that we offer. We don't offer many, or we don't do many sales. No. And because our prices are already really great. But if you follow us or you're in our Facebook group, then you do hear a lot about our Black Friday sale. And there's just 3 tips that we're going to leave you with today for you to make the most out of your Black Friday sale. First tip is just to know what collection and products you have your eyes on. So if you ordered a preview pack before the sale, then you know what collection that you are loving.
You're set.
Yeah, and if you didn't have time for a preview pack, that's okay. You can place one after the Black Friday sale, but if you place your order during the Black Friday sale, you order a preview pack and you realize, oh wait, like I want to change collections, you totally can.
Yeah, because you can edit your order up until 10 days before your event date. Doesn't even matter if another collection comes out that you like more and you're like, I want that. You can totally edit your entire order. So that's a big tip, but we recommend getting your order in so you have those florals secure. Even if something else comes out that you know, like more, you can always change.
No fee for changing your order. So you can do as many, like there's some people in the Facebook group that say like I've changed my order 5 times before my wedding date even came. And you can do that. And like Emily said, if a collection comes out 2 months from now that you love more, you can do that.
So collection, new collection.
Yeah, so don't feel like you're locked in. That's the beauty of something Floral Blooms. You're not locked in. There's no packages or minimums. Just get your order in, get the sale, and you can always make adjustments as you go.
And I also wanted to mention that you don't have to pay your entire order. You only have to pay 50% of your order subtotal when you place your order, and then the rest will be taken from the card on file when your order ships from our warehouse. So you don't have to worry about paying the entire thing today or whenever you place your order. No worries there.
So the second tip we're going to give you is build your cart out before the sale starts. So add items to your cart. It'll build a quote at the bottom. The only thing not included in that quote would be your shipping price. Build your cart. Third is sign up for emails and text. Just to say fully informed, sign up for our emails and our text messages. But if you go to our homepage and scroll all the way to the bottom, you can see a little newsletter form. Yeah, just enter your email and your phone number and you are fully informed on all things Black Friday sale.
Biggest sale of the year. Be sure to get your orders in.
You don't want to miss it.
No, you don't want to miss it. Secure your flowers.
Next segment, we are talking about our newest color crush.
Yeah, it's our crush.
Yeah, we've been crushing on her for a while.
For sure.
But you have seen this color, I'm sure, all over your feeds. It's like you really cannot escape this color. It is brown.
Mocha brown. It's really big right now, especially for fall, but I have seen brown at any season and it looks good. Look at what you're wearing.
Yeah, I'm all brown. And there's different shades of brown, so this is like the darkest brown, but I mean, I think you can even include like this coffee brown that's really pretty, and then the lightest color. Where's that honey beige?
I think it should be in there.
Yeah. Okay, this is like a really good ombre example of like the shade brown.
This is all Revelry swatches, so this is all of their satin. So like Abby said, honey beige toffee, and mahogany.
So we're gonna show you 4 collections that we love to pair with the color brown now.
So the first collection that we have that we love to pair with brown is Marlowe. This is our purple monochrome kind of ombre effect collection, and this is just beautiful with brown. So really good choice if you are interested in purple, pair it with brown and you have perfect combo. Yep. Next we have Stella, which is our newest refresh. Just really like a romantic and rich color palette that pairs really well with brown.
Yeah.
Very chocolate covered cherry.
Oh yeah,
I love that.
it's cute. Third collection is our Nina collection, which we also recently gave a refresh to. So if you knew Nina before, we added greenery to Nina. So we took the pampas out, added greenery, and it just gives her a really nice fresh look. It's very warm, perfect for the fall month or winter months. And she's just really nice, and she looks really great with brown. It's like very earth tony. And then last but not least, we have our girl Zayah. Zayah has very quickly become a customer favorite, and it's obvious why. She looks so good with this brown color. She looks great with really any color, but fall, winter, brown is just phenomenal. It's so good. So that is our color crush at the moment, brown, and we loved these 4 collections paired with it.
Yes.
And you can find links to the collections below in the description if you want to rent one of these for your wedding day.
Yes.
All right, now warehouse tour.
Yeah, we can take you into the warehouse. You can see all the behind the scenes.
So we'll take you there now.
This is the front of the warehouse. Yes. We'll take you in now.
You walk in and you have Sydney. She is our amazing customer service representative.
Okay, some offices here.
And Victoria, McKenna, the Queen. And we have our conference room, which is so pretty. This is my favorite room, I think, of the whole warehouse. We have our meetings in here.
And then we're in the fulfillment area of the warehouse. So we have all of our ready to go shelves of just a ton of inventory ready for your wedding or event.
And then
We have all of our decor pieces, bouquets, centerpieces. This is our fulfillment area, so this is where all of the orders are packed and fulfilled. These are all boxes ready to go out on FedEx. This is our cute lounge area, returns and production area. So I guess let's come this way.
okay.
So this is our returns area where FedEx drops off packages that were coming from the weekend, and our returns team unpacks everything, and then it passes to our production team, and then the products are revamped and refreshed for the next wedding.
Maria.
But yeah, this is where everything is quality checked and refreshed and looked at before the next wedding.
We have our baler.
Would y'all like me to turn it on?
Sure.
Oh yeah.
Let's crunch them.
Event party.
Every garland you could possibly ever think of.
Yep, all over here.
Hey.
We're gonna take you to Warehouse B, and that is where everything is really produced. We'll also show you where our social studio is, because that's crazy. This is the social filming studio. This is where we do all of our how-tos, and we have a more formal studio coming, but this is what we make work. Everything's produced. All the new builds happen. Hey.
Say hello to our vlog. Say hello.
Really?
Hey, Miss Ann. This is all the new goodness.
What's happening?
We're just saying hi to you.
Hi.
This is the creator behind all of the amazing collections we have.
Yeah.
I'm playing with lots more.
Yeah, just don't look this way.
Yeah, we can't show you behind us, but
Okay. Now go.
we'll have to go away. Okay, that's top secret stuff in here.
Okay. And this is where procurement team lives. So, Johns, I hear her.
There she is.
Hey, Johns.
Manage all this inventory.
Tons and tons. Johnny does an incredible job at keeping all of this organized and ready to be picked for the production team to make new products.
Yep. And this is her Blooms mobile.
Yes, we have to show this. This is,
Leather protected seats.
you want to gas it up for him? Oh yeah. Okay, so we have a custom Blooms mobile that Johnny drives. Oh! And it is just the best way to get around here from warehouse to warehouse. Okay.
And that is our warehouse tour.
All right, and that is all that we have for you today on What's Blooming with Abby and Emily, and we hope you enjoyed all the things.
Yeah, so if you like this video and you want to see more, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok so you can have a say in what we do next.
See you next week.
Bye.